Have you tried everything and still haven't found any solution for your weight loss problem? If that's the case, please continue watching this video, and you'll thank me later.
Keto Diet Meal Plan is one of the most trending low-carb diet for weight loss plan, giving effective results all throughout. Bulletproof Coffee has known to help reach this state easily without failing the diet plan. Benefits of a keto diet meal plan to convince you to follow one today. 1. Fat as fuel. During a ketosis state, your body is accustomed to using fat as a fuel or energy instead of glucose. Otherwise, our body is used to having carbohydrates as the energy source, and when the supply of carbs is shut, it starts using body fat as fuel. Sounds great. 2. Ketones instead of glucose. Ketones are produced in a ketosis state, which might get in excess sometimes, but even the excess production of ketones is not harmful to the body as it gets excreted out through urine, unlike glucose, which gets stored as fat. 3. No hunger pangs. When your body reaches the ideal state of burning fat for energy, it no longer craves for carb-rich foods, something high in sugar and unhealthy. This means you feel no urge to eat sugar-laden desserts or drinks to keep yourself energized for all day. Weight loss. This is what you have been aiming for, right? In the ketosis state, your body starts using ketones instead of glucose, which helps in regulating the body's insulin level. So, a miraculous diet program for all diabetic patients struggling with weight loss. Satiation. Last but definitely not least, a ketogenic diet make you feel fuller for longer, suppressing your hunger pangs now and then. In other weight loss diet plans, you are urged to keep down your hunger guards every time to feel like eating something, to regulate the carb intake. But the case is very different in a keto diet, where you feel satiated without many efforts, and that actually helps in reaching your weight loss goal. Now that you know all the benefits you can get from a keto diet, it totally makes sense why you should be following one now. And of course, you have nothing to lose except your weight in this, isn't it?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.